This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Lorna and Sarah Murray. Stunning 1-bedroom plus den eating bar and kitchen, gorgeous wood floors, west/D and large deck. Open floor plan. The Lexis building is across from Tanner Springs Park. Walking score of 97 and bike score is 99. Secure building west/deeded parking and storage. Includes gym, community room, gated courtyard, maintenance and several utilities.Dog park and river are all nearby. Steps from streetcar/Max, parks, riverfront trail, Nike bikes, top rated restaurants. Hurry! Great opportunity to live in the Pearl at this price. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorna and Sarah Murray at 503